Oh my god, I need a car wash. Hi, Mac. Hi, buddy. I just came for a car wash. Well, I'm all clean. Now I must go see my friends. Where are my friends? Ah, Mater, there you are. Hey, buddy. What's up? Oh, I was just gonna go into the Batcave. Do you wanna come with me? Yeah, sure, buddy. Come on. I'll go up here. Ooh, do. Come on, Mater, it's fine. Okay, buddy. Ah, it's the life. Yeah. Ka-chow. Now, let's go see the kindness road. Do. Ah. Buddy, are you okay? Yeah, Mater, I'm fine. Now, where's Doc? Doc, you okay? I'm fine. Good. So, what are you doing? I want to talk to you. Oh, I want to go get me quite a paint from Ramon. No problem, man. Come with me. Well, later, McQueen. Later, Doc. Ah, Serena Sally. What's up? What's up, Stickers? Oh, I love when you call me that. So, do you want to go out for dinner tonight? Okay. So, where should we go? I have a new restaurant that I would love to take you. Oh no, buddy! We're almost here, Doc. Here. Come on, Doc. It's fine. Okay. Now, what kind of pet would you like? Same color. Okay. Thanks, Simone. Oh my god. Hey, Ramon. Give me up. Whoa, what's wrong, man? You seem like sad. I am sad. My name of Quinn blew me off again. It's Sally. Oh my god, I know how that feels. Let's go over here. I ain't touching it. Okay. Hey, you can't fit in my truck. You be quiet, Mac. I'm stuck. I'm out of here. Well, that was stop. What are you doing, Doc? Just look at that. What? They're here? What's his problem? You too! Ah! Hey, man, what's going on? You know what's going on? You come with me now. Stay! Ah! What are you doing? I was going to do a Sally! Oh. Sorry? Ugh! Mater. Well, come on, let's get away from this demons. make up soon. Well, thanks for watching Bubba's amazing videos, guys. And don't worry, Mater and Lightning McQueen will make up soon, okay? Well, bye, and see you next time.